not gonna make the jumps.
No, he's just gonna roll over like not big boy and gonna get airborne.
Shredded, dude! I gotta call my mom after this. Is this going on YouTube?
Probably.
Yeah.
So everybody can make fun of you guys instead.
You see that man over there? That's what you call chess boy. No, that's just what you call a beast. Come on, focus. There we go.
He just skips all of the jumps. Watch him try to go over that. Oh, he hit the ruts.
Sorry. No, dude, shred it, man. Say it, Sage.